Daddy, we love you. Happy birthday. Thank God you came. And thank you for answering the call of God. Millions of life was changed. A brighter world has been built because you came. Because you came. Homes has been restored. Dreams are now fulfilled because you came. Because you came. Now we see realities of life. We're dreaming this life. We're living this life that God has planned for us. Because you came. Because you came. We're living this life. We're dreaming this life that God has planned for us through you. Thank God you came. Thank God you came. We're living this life. Thank God you came. Thank God you came. Oh, we're living this life. We're dreaming this life.
Millions of lives has changed. A brighter world has been brought because you came. Because you came. Homes are now restored. Dreams are now fulfilled because you came. Because you came. And now we see realities of life, yeah. Living this life, dreaming this life that God has planned for us. Because you came. Because you came. We are living this life, dreaming this life that God has planned for us.
Because you came. Because you were born this day, March 24. Because you were born this day, heaven reaches out this day. The waters so rejoice because of this day. Because you were born this day, this very day, this day. Because you came. Because you came. Oh, we're living this life. We're dreaming this life that God has planned for us through you. Daddy, thank God you came. March 24th is a great day around the world. Daddy, thank God you came. Thank God you came. You've affected each and every one in this room positively. Me and LORHKAY, we just want to say we love you, but God loves you more. Daddy, thank you for answering the call of God, because we're living the life, we're dreaming the life that God has planned for us through you. God bless you, Daddy.